To practice trading, several stock market simulator apps are available, and links to these apps can be found below. By utilizing these apps, individuals can test various trading strategies without risking their own money. One such app, eToro, allows users to buy cryptocurrencies, stocks, and ETFs, and it also provides features to learn and discuss different trading strategies with top-performing investors. It has a real, virtual button, enabling easy switching between virtual and real accounts, and it's free. Another option is TradeStation, which is best for automated trading. This free app allows users to automate, backtest, and simulate strategies for ETFs, stocks, and options. It offers secure login features, such as Face ID and Touch ID recognition, and an extensive historical database to backtest the profitability of a strategy. The order ticket and interface are identical to live trading, making it easy to transition to actual trading. For active traders, a suitable option is Moomoo, an intuitive trading and investment platform with user-friendly, pro-grade insights, tools, and data. This app offers features like multi-market coding ability, advanced charting tools, and technical indicators, as well as full extended trading hours. It also provides Level 2 free data with 60 levels, giving users a comprehensive insight into price action. While the app has in-app purchases, it offers $0 equity options contract fees and $0 commission on ETFs and US stocks. After evaluating these options, the top choice is Moomoo. Due to its outstanding features and user-friendliness, it's essential to note that fees and rates are subject to change, so it's crucial to stay informed about any updates. Overall, these stock market simulator apps provide valuable tools for practicing trading and testing strategies without financial risk.